In primetime news this evening, some JPS customers to know within hours if July's energy bill will be estimated.
Under pressure, the Light and Power Company announces a discount for over 300,000 customers.
And government to utilize $5 billion from disaster fund to aid in burial recovery effort. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And a special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, we're mostly talking about investments this evening, and it appears more Jamaicans are gaining confidence in the stocks and equities market. That and more in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports, and we're closer to the Olympics.
No two ways about that, Archie. Thank you. Well, some members of Jamaica's delegation have arrived in the Athletes' Village in Paris ahead of the start of the Olympic Games. We have got boots on the ground. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
I'm pretty excited.
I am. I was looking at a video today about the Olympic video, though. Olympic Village, though,
right?
And yeah.
Exciting stuff. I don't know how I am going to concentrate, but I'm sure you too. But Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. Now, across the island tomorrow, we do have some isolated thunderstorm activity in the forecast. We also have some thunderstorms expected on Thursday, but drier conditions are expected thereafter.
And I'm also going to give Romain work. So he'll have to tell us what's happening in Paris for the entire period.
I think it's going to be hot. I think.
Yeah, well, yeah. So there's going to be the weather report and forecast in detail later on, as well as sports commentary
and
E-Prime. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what are your thoughts on the government's decision to recruit foreign teachers?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.